Hello world, Rich Fortney here. Hey, I just wanted to go over what a hobo fishing reel is. I know I've lost a lot of film uh, due to a computer error, but I was able to manage to salvage some of it where I'm testing my lures that I made. Basically what a hobo fishing reel is just a stick with some line and a hook. So you'll see me out here casting it, trying to catch a trout or two or whatever bites. I'm down here at the Elk River. I didn't go up to the pond like I normally do. I wanted to try it down here, show you all different scenery. And this river is beautiful. A lot of eagles. So, hey, if you like this video, subscribe and like. So I'm gonna go ahead and readjust the camera and go ahead and get to fishing. Hey, Rich's safety tip. As you can see, some campers left this fire going, which could cause a fire, you know. Ember could catch something. I mean, I know it looks like it's pretty barren here, but still, you don't want to do that. So my safety tip is, it's very simple. Just throw some water on it. They also left trash. Clean up your areas, people. This country's too beautiful for some dumb drunks to be messing it up. So it's all right to go out and have a few drinks and party. Don't leave your trash or leave your fires burning. That's Rich's safety tip. Nothing pisses me off more than this. Inconsiderate people. Remember, put out your fires, pick up your trash. Pretty simple. All right, world, I had to switch spots. That spot over there was just too rocky to fish this way. I was getting snagged up. So I'll go ahead and try over here in the deeper water. See what we catch. All right, world. Hey, I went and bought some worms because I wanted to show you that you can catch fish with just a Hobo fishing line. Yep, got him. There you go. Calm down. Well, there you have it. I just wanted you to see. Now I'm going to show you probably a feeding frenzy. Gave them a bunch of mealworms and night crawlers. So remember, Hobo fishing pole. Anyone can do it. Alright, both casts that I made with the 12-pound test went out pretty good. Or I mean with the 20-pound test, and this is that lure that a replica of the lure that Alan made. I'll definitely need to pick a heavier wood because it's floating. However, I'm really just experimenting right at the moment with these. So I'll make a bunch more here throughout the summer. Hey, I hope you all enjoyed the the hobo fishing that I did. Show you, very simple: stick, fishing line, you got it. Some bait, so, and a hook. Well, there'll be more fishing videos coming, so make sure you watch, subscribe and like if you like this, and remember, arrivederci.